Today, the University of Fort Hare is hosting 2 workshops for all the schools in the Amatole West District that are offering mathematics. We have invited all the learners that will be writing the grade 12 mathematics examination to come for a mathematics training workshop. And we've done this because we've done some research which has shown that a very large percentage, close to 25 to 30% of learners don't actually have calculators, and calculators are very important in the maths curriculum. In fact, not having a calculator or not being proficient in using it can cost the student up to 20% of the maths marks in a matric maths exam. So we have made an intervention where we invited all the learners and the teachers to come to the Alice campus of the university. We offered them a workshop on the use of scientific calculators.
The aim of the research is to assist students that are underprivileged, who don't have calculators, and they're coming from families that cannot afford to buy them calculators. It started as a joint research project with the University of Wits and Fort Hare, and we had a pilot event at the end of 2021. And then in 2022, we had this type of workshop. Starting from that period up to now, there's been a tremendous improvement in the performance of mathematics students in the district.
I think it was a very great initiative for the university to have this thing. I've learned a lot, like how to use my calculator properly, and even when it comes to the quadratic equations. Now I usually struggle and then I do it on a scrap paper when I do my solutions, and today I learned how to do my quadratic equations on the calculator, so it's much easier.
To the team as well as the entire research team, we are truly grateful as teachers from Amatole West. I hope we will continue benefiting from the university and all its other functions as the surrounding community. Thank you.